A very good morning for all of you. Don't impact for a year, for a moment, or for a day. It's a lifetime impact on the students. A very happy Teachers' Day from all of us. Thank you for the lifetime achievement that we have achieved. Now, a proud moment for a teacher. One student touched the ladder of success and represents a teacher, an idol. It is a proud moment. Teachers' Day 2020, and we are ready to know about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. It is celebrated on September 5th, the birth anniversary. And now here is Dhruti Sri Khyati from LKG who has entered into the kingdom of wisdom. VPS PS, the proud student. Now she is going to wish all our teachers a happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day!
The most proud moment is when your student illuminates your name. Here comes Sian from LKG who has completed and entered into UKG. Sian, we all welcome you now.
Good morning, respected principal sir, vice principal, headmasters, all the teachers and my dear friends. I want to dedicate this song for my teachers. Okay? I love my teacher. She makes me smarter every day. She teaches me everything in such a fun and easy way. I love my teacher. I love my teacher. She taught me my numbers 1 to 10. Numbers are so interesting and really easy. She taught me all my alphabets. A for apple, B for ball, 26 letters. Now I know them all. I love my teacher. I love my teacher. She taught me my greetings and my manners. Good morning and good evening. Please welcome and thank you. She taught me days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and lazy Sunday. I love my teacher. She taught me my colors, red, yellow, green, the colors of rainbow, my crayons, a marker. She taught me my hips, the and arms, circus, triangle, and my favorite ones are heart. I love my teacher. Happy Teachers' Day, Kavita ma'am.
The only thing in your control is effort. That's all, and that's everything. Here comes Adya Arnav from 3B who is going to wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. This is Adya Arnav from class 3rd. The light of the world, the beacon in dark, and hope that gives us strength to survive with our teachers. Today, 5th September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. Teachers are an important part of the lives of the students. No student becomes great without the help of his teachers. Teacher is a friend and a guide that gives them hope, a direction, and encourages them to dream. Teachers are like pillars of our country. They guide and shape the destiny of a student. They teach us to become a better human being. They are the reason behind the successful career of a student. On this day, we pay respect to teachers. It is truly said, teachers are like backbone of our society. They don't teach us only subjects and languages. They teach us manners and life skills. They appreciate our small improvements with a big heart. They make us feel proud of our pretty achievements. If someone laughs on our mistakes, they encourage us by patting our backs. If somebody has grown to higher status, then he found his blessings of his teachers. They don't ask us credit for their efforts. I salute them for their sacrifices. On behalf of my friends, I salute them for guiding us. At last, thank you for everything you did. Please lead us throughout life. Thank you.
My teachers and my students, we are all proud of each other. People always say one person can't make a difference, but I have proof that these kids have made a difference. Here comes P. Dhruti from 4A.
Happy Teacher's Day! Teacher, you have always shown us the right way. Whatever little we have achieved in our life is because of you only. Thank you for being our guide and mentor. You introduced me to myself and showed me the right way. Thanks for making me who I am. To the world, you may be just a teacher, but to your students, you are a hero. Oh, my lovest teacher, you have been a source of inspiration to the time of hardship. I came into your class to learn and to grow, but what has touched me the most is the love you have shown. You are not just a teacher to me, you are also an inspiration. Lucky to have you as a guide. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you shower, makes you the world's best teacher.
Oh my teacher, happy Teacher's Day. You are talented, elegant, awesome, charming, helpful, efficient, receptive. We love you all. I am indebted to all my teachers, not just today, but every other day.
Thank you, all my dearest teachers. Happy Teacher's Day.
True teachers are those who help think for ourselves. Here comes Ramya Teja wishing all the teachers. She has stepped into class 10. I welcome Miss Ramya Teja.
Thank you for showing the path towards success. Thank you for continuing to educate students in these challenging times.
Here comes K. Lavanya, who has completed her class 10, who has come over here to express her sincere thanks and regards. And she's gone to wish you a happy Teacher's Day.
Hi, I'm Lavanya. I just completed my 10th class. Teachers play a very important role in our life. I just want to wish all my teachers a very happy Teacher's Day.
Into MBBS, Miss Gladys, who is a student who has created her own image in the image of the teachers. Here comes Gladys, who is expressing her gratitude.
Happy Teacher's Day to all the teachers. I am Gladys, an old student of Siddhartha Public School. I am doing my MBBS in Ashram College, Eluru right now. I have studied in Siddhartha Public School from LKG to 10th. I am honored to be a part of this video. I would like to thank all my teachers who have helped me throughout my school. You have all encouraged me in so many ways, and you all play an important role in building the person who I am today. I hope to make you all proud, and personally I know the struggles that a teacher goes through, as my mother herself is a teacher. So I really appreciate each and everything that you have done for me and for all the students that you have taught. Happy Teacher's Day, and I hope you are all safe and healthy. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Here comes Vihima Varshini saying that education is not the filling of a pot but the lighting of the fire. As well said by WB Eats, I welcome Miss Himavarshini.
A very good morning to one and all. My name is Himavarshini and I am one of the alumni of Veeramachaneni Paddaya Siddhartha Public School. I served as a Gandhi House captain in the academic year 2013 and 2014. I was also the part of our school's music team. Currently, I completed my engineering from Prasad V. Potluri Siddhartha Institute of Technology. I have always been a Siddharthian and I am very proud of it. My school was my foundation. All my teachers have been a constant support for me in nourishing all my skills like stress management and multitasking. I thank all my teachers from the bottom of my heart for helping me nurture my character and make me what I am today. I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Thank you.
A teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. Here comes Dr. Vishal Indla, who has come over here very respectfully and he wants to express his gratitude towards his teachers.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dr. Vishal Indla. I am a psychiatrist in Vijayawada. I run a chain of child guidance clinics and psychiatric hospitals in various parts of the country. Most importantly, I am an alumni of VPS Public School. I completed my 10th standard in the year 94. Whatever I am today, all the success, everything is attributed to the foundation years that I have had at VPS Public School and all the wonderful teachers who taught me the basics of education and life at VPS. On this special day, I'd like to wish all our teachers at VPS Public School a very happy Teachers' Day and wish you a very happy, prosperous and healthy life ahead. Thank you.
Education is our passport to the future. For tomorrow belongs to the people who prepare for it today. Well said by Malcolm X. It is Nehru House Captain J. Sirisha, who has passed out in the year 1994, has come over here to express her gratitude.
Dear teachers, I am J. Sirisha. I was a proud captain of Nehru House in 1994 and I'm currently practicing gastroenterology in Tennessee. I am forever grateful for the strong academic foundation you have laid to be what I am today. On this occasion, I want to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day and may God continue to bless you with much health and happiness and may you continue to inspire your current batch of students.
To teach is to learn twice over, as said by Joseph Jobbert. Now here comes G. Snigdha from 4A and Y. Vedasri 5B to present a dance.
Respected teachers, we are wishing you a happy Teachers' Day. ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ మా శుభాకాంక్షలు.
Education is the most powerful weapon you can use to change the whole world. With this, I bring down the curtain for today's program. Have a nice day, children. Bye bye.